Welcome back to Product Scout. Today, we're diving into a handy tool designed specifically for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, the KEMOVE P11 4-key Keycap Puller. Whether you're a casual user who likes to swap keycaps for a fresh look or a serious custom keyboard builder, this tool promises to make the process faster and easier. Let's take a closer look. The KEMOVE P11 stands out because it can remove up to 4 keycaps simultaneously. This is a game changer if you often find yourself taking off multiple keys for cleaning or customization. Instead of pulling keycaps off one by one, you can do it in batches, saving both time and effort. Construction-wise, the P11 combines polycarbonate plastic with 420 high-carbon stainless steel. This combination gives it a sturdy feel while maintaining some lightweight ergonomics. The steel is high quality and designed to resist bending or breaking over repeated use. The polycarbonate parts add durability without adding bulk, which makes the tool comfortable to hold. One of the biggest concerns with keycap pullers is whether they can damage your keycaps. The P11 is designed to be gentle on your keys. The steel wires and frame are crafted to securely grab the keycaps without scratching or warping them. This is especially important for mechanical keyboards with delicate or specialty keycaps that can easily get damaged with improper tools. The tool is finished in a sleek star white color, which not only looks clean but also fits nicely into most keyboard setups without standing out awkwardly. It's a subtle design choice that adds a bit of style to your keyboard maintenance kit. Ergonomics play a big role here. The P11 has been designed for a comfortable grip so that you don't have to struggle or strain your fingers when removing keycaps. This makes it a good choice for both beginners who might be nervous about damaging their keyboard and more experienced enthusiasts who appreciate ease of use. In terms of size, the tool is compact and lightweight, just over an ounce, making it easy to carry with you or stash in your desk drawer. It's suitable for standard keyboard layouts, so you don't have to worry about compatibility with most mechanical keyboards. One small but noteworthy feature is that the P11 can help keep your work area neat. Because it removes multiple keys at once and can place them neatly, it reduces the risk of losing keycaps or mixing them up during the cleaning or customization process. To sum it up, the KEMOVE P11 4-key Keycap Puller is a practical, well-built tool that streamlines the keycap removal process. Its multi-key capability, sturdy materials, and thoughtful design make it a valuable addition for anyone who spends time customizing or maintaining mechanical keyboards. If you want to save time and protect your keycaps while doing so, this tool is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's Product Scout review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more product insights. Thanks for watching.